In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate workflow in N8N. Duplicating a workflow is a safe, time-saving way to build on something that already works without risking changes to the original. Maybe you want to test a new trigger, tweak a node, or try a different data path. A duplicate gives you a sandbox copy you can experiment with confidently. Start by opening your N8N dashboard and heading to the Workflows section. This is the central place where all your automations live. You'll see a list of workflows along with key details like status and when they were last updated. If you have a long list, the search or filters can help you quickly locate the workflow you want to copy. Make sure you're looking at the list view rather than opening a workflow editor tab yet, because you'll be duplicating directly from the list. Next, find the workflow you want to copy and look for the three dots icon at the end of its row. That's the Overflow or More Actions menu. Clicking this icon reveals additional options specific to that workflow. If you don't immediately see it, hover over the row and it should appear. This menu is designed to keep the main list clean while still giving you quick access to actions like renaming, exporting, and, of course, duplicating. From that menu, choose Duplicate. Selecting this tells N8N you want an exact copy of the workflow structure and configuration. You're not changing anything on the original. You're simply preparing a separate version that you can adjust later. If the duplicate option doesn't appear, it could be a permissions limitation in your workspace, so just be aware of that. Otherwise, go ahead and proceed. A confirmation dialog will appear to prevent accidental copies. Click Duplicate Workflow to finalize. This is the point where N8N creates the new item in your list. You'll return to the Workflows view, and you should now see a new workflow with a name that indicates it's a copy. Depending on your setup, it may include the word copy or a similar suffix so you can tell it apart at a glance. The original remains untouched. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a workflow in N8N. From here, you can open the duplicate whenever you're ready and make edits without impacting production. As a quick note, a duplicate won't start running on its own. You decide when and how to enable it. Using duplicates is a best practice for testing changes, comparing versions, and collaborating safely across your team.